In this video, I will show you how I protected my container tulips from the wind and more specifically from Storm Dave, which brought record 90-mile-per-hour winds to the UK this spring. And the reason why I didn't move my tulips is because I'm in the middle of a time lapse. So I protected them by making a windbreak with this Alpine Reach Garden netting, which is very good. I've used it before to protect my strawberries from pests such as birds and squirrels. But the big question is, did it work? Because it was a very ferocious storm, and you're going to have to watch the rest of the video to find out. Wind's coming from the southwest, kind of in this direction. So I'm going to shield it this side with this netting. So it's not going to take off, it's not going to be a sail when there's a gust. It's going to literally lift that and fly it into another neighbour's garden because the wind will blow through it, but it just breaks the wind a bit and hopefully reduces it by, I don't know, 10 miles per hour. So instead of it being 50 miles per hour later on, when it hits the tulips, it could be 40 miles per hour, maybe, hopefully a bit less. I might put another layer on. But I think it's looking alright. Okay, I've decided to put a third layer of netting on now, just to give it just a bit more windbreak. I've just added another bamboo cane here just to give it a bit more support because the wind's really picking up now. I've used bits of string to tie the netting onto the bamboo canes and also to help secure it from slipping down. I've added a bit of sellotape. So I've done it midway as well and at the bottom as well. And I've also used these tent pegs to peg it inside the container. So it's holding its own now. The wind is picking up, it's going to get even windier later this evening. So it is really gusting at the moment. I just hope that it's all in one place in the morning. Oh dear. These will be okay. They should straighten up. Well, this is a bit better. Imagine if I never had this at all these would be crashing over. But that's the wind that's done that. Even with the windbreak. So it's just about survived. So my tulips have mostly survived the Storm David. There's just a few that are looking a bit bedraggled, but overall mostly protected. Still a lot of tulips to come through. Let's hope there's no more storms. And those tulips are fine as well because they were they were more protected because they're in the little corner here. So I think the best thing to do really, if you can, if there's a storm coming, move your tulips closer to your house in a shelter space. That's probably the easiest way to protect your container tulips. Fingers crossed we won't get any more storms until next winter probably. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do, and thanks for watching.